Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Port Washington, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.